how to create an account on Git.io. So first of all, open the website, and now from here click on sign up. And as you can see here, enter your email and set up strong password. Select your country from here. If you have a referral ID, you can type on it here and click on accept user agreement and privacy policy. If you want to sign up with phone, now select your coach country from here and type your phone here. Set a strong password, select your region, and now if you have a referral ID, you can type on it here and check this accept user agreement and privacy policy. Now after that, click on sign up. So if you set a phone, you will be able to receive a code on SMS on your phone to be able to add it there. If you select the email, you can go and check your email inbox to copy that code they have sent you to paste it in this in the website to confirm your registration. So this is how to create an account on Git.io on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.